So I have an idea. I am going to surprise my husband with a bathroom makeover. I haven't done much planning. He is traveling for 3 weeks. So I said, like, if any time, now's the time. If you're watching this, it means that I relatively like the results. So we'll see how it goes. First, I will show you a before. Don't mind the mess. It is extra messy, but this is what we're dealing with. So on the walls, we have a color called Thin Ice. This is the builder's countertops, cupboards, and floor. This is where we keep our laundry. This is his sink. Over here is the shower. Again, it's really dirty. I'm gonna be cleaning it. It's time to clean it anyways. And then I'm like, hey, I saw some YouTube videos about this. Let me give it a try. Again, I'm sorry for the garbage. This is the bathtub. Nice windows. Again, just pretend that isn't there. But vanity. And then this is my side. That's my closet. The door is closed for a reason. And then this is the toilet. So the plan is to paint on a black marble countertop on all 3 counters. We're gonna paint the cupboards white, put on black hardware handles, and we're gonna paint the floors white. The floors, the bathtub, which way? The backsplash, and even the shower. So we've been wanting to renovate our bathroom for a very long time, and money was the biggest thing stopping us, but also we don't know if this is our forever home. So we always been like, oh, should we spend the money to invest in it now, or should we just save that money and put it towards the next house? So I found a couple, I don't know, cheats to get that luxury feel, but without that luxury price. So stay tuned and let me know what you guys think.